Are you tired of missing important emails because they're scattered across multiple accounts? Learn how to auto-forward all Gmail messages in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to add a forwarding address. Just follow these 6 simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. From that menu, click See All Settings to open the full settings panel. Now, at the top of the settings page, click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. In that section, click the Add a Forwarding Address button. A dialog will appear. Type the email address where you want your messages forwarded, then click Next. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.